Sai Ram students, welcome to the 6th session of chapter 9, that is decimal fractions. So children, in the last session we were seeing some examples related to addition of decimal fractions. So let's continue with it. The 7th example is 48.80 meter plus 2.57 meter. Right? So what is 0 plus 7? 0 plus 7 is 7. 8 plus 5 is 13. So 3 I will write down, 1 carried over. 1 plus 8 is 9 and 9 plus 2 is 11. So 1 I have written down, again 1 carried over. 1 plus 4 is 5. So you got it as 5. Now you can see there are two decimal places in the upper number also and in the lower number also. So what will you see? Where will you put the decimal point? After two decimal place, right? So what is the unit? Unit is meter. So your answer is 51.37 meter. Next example is 7.5 centimeter plus 14.2 centimeter plus 19.6 centimeter. Now 5 plus 2 is how much? 7, and 7 plus 6 is 13. So 3 you will write and 1 you will carry over. 1 plus 7 is 8. 8 plus 4 is 12 and 12 plus 9 is 21. So 1 I will write down and 2 carried over. 2 plus 1 is 3 and 3 plus 1 is 4. Right? Now see the decimal point where it is. Everywhere it is 1 decimal point. So you will put 1 decimal point. So and you will put the unit as centimeter. So your answer will be 41.3 centimeter. Right? So with this children, we have finished the examples. Now we will start with problem set 41. So what is the first question? Convert the following into decimal fractions and add them. So what is the first one? 1.5 meter and 2.5 meters. So children, here now 1.5 meter. So we are not going to write it in the mixed fraction form as 1 upon 2 and then convert it into a proper fraction and then write the decimal fraction for it. So directly half meter. Now half meter means 1 upon 2. So 1 upon 2, it is written in the decimal form as 0.50. Then quarter. Quarter, it is written as 1 upon 4 and 1 upon 4 is written in the decimal form as 0.25. And 3 quarters, it is nothing but 3 upon 4. So 3 upon 4, it is written in the decimal form as 0.75. So we are going to use directly the decimal form and we are not going to convert it into decimal form and then carry out the addition. So let's start. 1.5 meter. So how we are going to write 1.5 as 1.50 meter. Next is 2.5 meter. So 2.5, how we are going to write? 2.50, right? And meter. So meter is the unit which is important. Now you are going to carry out the addition. 0 plus 0 is 0. 5 plus 5 is 10. So 0, 1 carried over. 1 plus 1 is 2 and 2 plus 2 is 4. So there is 2 decimal place. So 4.00 meter. So your answer will be 4 meter. Let's move to the second one. 4.75 rupees and 7.25 rupees. Now children, just now I told you 3/4 means 3 upon 4 is equal to 0.75 and 7.25 quarter means 1 upon 4 means it is 0.25. So let's write 4.75 rupees is equal to 4.75 rupees. Next is 7.25. We will write it as 7.25 rupees. Now we will carry out the addition. 5 plus 5 is 10. So 0 written down, 1 carried over. 1 plus 7 is 8 and 8 plus 2 is 10. So 0 written, again 1 carried over. 1 plus 4 is 5 and 5 plus 7 is 12. So you will write it as 12 rupees, right? Because it is 2 decimal place. So your answer will be 12 rupees. Let's move to the third one. 6.5 meters and 3 3/4 meters. Now half meters means 1/2 is equal to 0.50 and 3/4 means 3/4 is equal to 0.75. So 6.5 meters, we will write it as 6.50 meter. 3 3/4 we will write it as 3.75 meter. Now we'll carry out the addition. 0 plus 5 is 5. 5 plus 7 is 12. So 2 written down, 1 carried over. 1 plus 6 is 7 and 7 plus 3 is 10. So 2 decimal places there. So we'll put 2 decimal place and we will write it as 10.25 meter. So you will write the answer as 10.25 meter. Now let's move to the second part of problem set 41, that is the addition. So addition we have to directly do with the numbers. So what is first one? 23.4 plus 87.9. Right? Now children, this is arranged in the horizontal manner. Now we have to arrange it vertically for carrying out the addition. So what will we do? First we'll take 23.4. Right? What is the next one? 87.9. Right? So now we will carry out the addition. 4 plus 9 is how much? 13. So 3 I will write down, 1 carried over. 1 plus 3 is how much? 4. And 4 plus 7 is 11. So 1 written down, again 1 carried over. 1 plus 2 is 3 and 3 plus 8 is 11. So I have written down 11. So you can see there is 1 decimal place in both the numbers. So 1 decimal point. So 111.3 is your answer. Right? Now let's move to the second one. 35.74 plus 816.6. Right? Now this is arranged horizontally. So we have to arrange it vertically. Right? Now you can see, first you see which number we will have to take. You can see here it is a 2 number before the decimal point and here it is a 3 number before the decimal point. So first what we will do? We will take the bigger number, that is 816.6. Right? And then we will arrange the second number as 35.74. Right? So now you can carry out the addition. 0 plus 4, because after 6 there is no number, so I have written it as 0. So 0 plus 4 is 4 and 6 plus 7 is 13. So 3 written down, 1 carried over. 1 plus 6 is how much? 7 and 7 plus 5 is how much? 12. So 2 written down, 1 carried over. 1 plus 1 is 2 and 2 plus 3 is 5. Now 8 is there and below no number is there. Right? So you will write it as 8. Right? Now you can see there are 2 decimal place in both the numbers. So you will take 2 decimal place. So 852.34 is your answer. Let's move to the third one. 6.95 plus 74.88. Now here also you can see the first number, it is a single digit and the second number you can see it is a 2 digit. So first we will arrange vertically the 2 digit number, right, before the decimal point. Now 74.88 plus 6.95. Now 8 plus 5 is how much? 13. So 3 written down, 1 carried over. 1 plus 8 is how much? 9. And 9 plus 9 is 18. So 8 written down, 1 carried over. 1 plus 4 is how much? 5. And 5 plus 6 is 11. So 1 written down, again 1 carried over. 1 plus 7 is how much? 8. So now you can see in both the numbers there are 2 decimal place. So we will put 2 decimal place. So what is your answer? 81.83. Now let's move to the fourth one. 41.03 plus 9.98. Now you can see children, here already the first number is a 2 digit before the decimal point and the second number is 1 digit after the before the decimal point. So we will directly arrange it vertically. 41.03 plus 9.98. Right? Now let's carry out the addition. 3 plus 8 is how much? 11. So 1 written down, 1 carried over. 1 plus 9 is how much? 10. So 0 written down, again 1 carried over. 1 plus 1 is 2 and 2 plus 9 is 11. So 1 written down, again 1 carried over. 1 plus 4 is how much? 5. So now you can see there are 2 decimal place. So we will put 2 decimal place. So your answer will be 51.01. Let's move to the third problem set. So the first question in third problem is 51.4 centimeter plus 68.5 centimeter. So here the units are also given, right? So we'll first arrange them vertically. So 51.4 centimeter plus 68.5 centimeter. Now let's carry out the addition. 4 plus 5 is 9. Next 1 plus 8 is 9 and 5 plus 6 is 11. So 1 decimal place. So 119.9 centimeter. Don't forget to write the unit, because if you don't write the unit, your marks will get cut, right? So your answer will be 119.9 centimeter. What is the second one? 94.7 meter plus 1738.45 meter. So now see children, the first number before the decimal point, it is 2 digit, and the second number which you are going to add before the decimal point, it is a 4 digit. So you will have to take the first the second number first when you are arranging it vertically. So first you will take 1738.45 meter. Now you will take the second number, that is 94.7 meter. Right? Now carry out the addition. 5 and there is no number, so you will write it as 5 as it is. Right? And then 4 plus 7 is how much? 11. So 1 written down, 1 carried over. 1 plus 8 is how much? 9. And 9 plus 4 is 13. So 3 written down, again 1 carried over. 1 plus 3 is how much? 4. 4 plus 9 is 13. So again 3 written down, 1 carried over. 1 plus 7 is how much? 8. And the next number is 1. So you will write it as it is. Now you can see over here children, in the first number here there are 2 decimal place, whereas in the second number it is 0.7. So we are taking it here as 0. So that means here also there is 2 decimal place. So you will put 2 decimal. So your answer is 1833.15 meter. Third one is rupees 5158.75 plus rupees 841.25. Right? So let's arrange them vertically. 5158.75 rupees and then plus 841.25 rupees. Right? So 5 plus 5 is 10. So 0 written down, 1 carried over. 1 plus 7 is 8. 8 plus 2 is 10. So 0 written down, again 1 carried over. 1 plus 8 is 9 and 9 plus 1 is again 10. So 0 written down, again 1 carried over. 1 plus 5 is 6 and 6 plus 4 is 10. So again written down 0, again 1 carried over. 1 plus 1 is 2 and 2 plus 8 is 10. So 0 written down and again 1 carried over. So 1 plus 5 is 6. Now where is the decimal point? It is over here, 2 decimal place. So you will write the unit it as rupees. Right? So what is your answer? 6,000 rupees. Right children? With this we finish problem set 41. Right? Now in the next session children, we will see subtraction of decimal fraction. Till then, goodbye.